Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome back to my tutorial videos, and this video is one of marathon playlist. Now it is only one videos, and in this video I will show you how the code works in to run authentication in Flutter with PLOC. Okay, so let's review the code. First of all, we have several files in Max.pml. Make sure you already download this one. There is a Flutter lint, Flutter test, there is a block, PLOC, and SVG. Okay, because there is an image in this video, so maybe you can add image with yourself and make it into the asset images like this. Okay, so my main folder here is lib. Okay, lib you can see several files here. Okay. So let's start from main. Main is a like entry point. So every what, yes, it entry point. So if you first of all visit the application, so you will be redirected into main like this. So it support PLOC ecosystem. So like this. Okay, and in the routes we don't use make it different in fold the root and the residue files to make the keep the variables and make the define the every variables. No, it's just only one files, and in this file with enum I have uh words make the name of root. There is login and home slash login and slash home. Okay, and there is a variable also, and in final roots and end roots and variable roots I have defined on the destination every name of root like that. There is a login page and home page. Okay, let's go to PLOC. PLOC is like place to send the event or state to receive and send the every state or every state. I mean a change in UI or even is like action from user. So maybe we start from event. So in this file is the function is to keep every event that can user make in the application. There is a login request, login and logout. Okay, this is event. And after PLC receive the event and he run the what he make this event is match with the data from repositories and services. He make the step or UI changes. There is a login initial, and there is a in the first time user visit the application. There is a login initial, there is a login loading, and login success, login response. Okay, and there's login success and login pilot. There is login success. There is a login response and login success string message. There is a in login pilot. There is a error message and yes, login pilot. And also there is a event like login local loading and logout success. So every event it will after the BLOC matches with data, it will be and the result it will be appear in the shape of event of state like this. And there is a the main file in PLOC. So after we register every state and event in these files, so the logic PLC it will be uh, much process it to the repository. So this is to get the data from repository on login event zinc. It's about repository login body. Okay, and there is a logic to save the session So in the every authentication, every user have a session. Okay, a session. And there is a function to logout, emit loading, and there is a two match between event and state. If there is a state A, so the event it must be no, if there is a event A, so the state that must match is event state A, and if there is a event B, so the state is B. So that the task from logic VLOC. Okay, so let's continue to constant. Now, constant is just only has one file because what? Because constant is to save the like variable the data that can't be changed anymore. Okay, class of constants because that I use static until the every code that will use this is not don't need to create object. Okay, and the response and the main is the variables can be changed, never be changed. Okay, so with this first this space URL is to save the dummy JSON. Okay, maybe I will show you. Hmm, nah, dummy JSON. Nah, I will use this for fake API. Okay, here it talks. In authentication. Nah, okay, so there is a I will use this as a message login. Okay, so I use this space URL to my code. Okay. And there is token key to save the token if the user after login like that. So the goal is I make these files in the it make this space URL a different file until I can avoid the opportunity to make wrong to type some typo, okay, in my file in my code. Okay, just so if I want to use this space URL, I just copy this variable, not typing one by one to avoid the typo. There is a model. Model is like uh, my structure in what in data. So I will make the variables of data that can be input of by user. There is a and last request is yes, is like uh, structure the data can be input by user. Okay, then string. Okay, I will use string majhul and expert in means. Again, there is a duration for the authentication and required login request model is required. Every column is every input is required. It must be filled this to access this variable. And okay, and before when the user input the data, it's still in the in the shape of string no username, string password, or integer. So until the API can process the data, the data it must be JSON. So I will make it into JSON with this logic. Okay, this for request from user to API, and from API to user the response. Okay, and the API it will be after your authenticated and the authentication is success. It will be give you two token for access and refresh. Okay, and there is a required. Okay, and until the velocity can process this, you must to make it uh, to change from JSON into object until there can process it. Okay, so the API only receive the JSON format and the there is only receive the object format like that. And there is a pages. Okay, so this is UI. Uh, Page UI. Logout success. There is a logout button to logout, and there is a like login, logout loading button. Okay, welcome page. Okay, like usual, the login page. Hmm, there is function to redirect into home page if you already if you access the login page but you already authenticated. There is a check function to check login session. Uh, there is a function to redirect page, and if you already make your session is still work, so you automatically redirect into the this function, and this function is will redirect into home page. Okay, instead check login instead. And every you start the application, you open the login, so it will be initialized. Okay, there is Savage Picture. I use this semantics level to code for UX, for CEO essential engine optimization. Okay, there is input from for name and password. There is a login text field is from this, from what, from widgets. I will explain you later. So in this, but in this you pages, I not make a lot a long code uh, to what to detailing the style. No, it's just only I put the widget here for consumer. Okay, so if the login success, it will be redirected in the root home. If the login fail, it will be there is a error dialog. Okay, there is a UI for loading. And this also I use what out button also, out button with widget, so I don't need to write the long code to detail the UI. And there is also error dialog from this, like that. Don't have an account. There is a function to sign up also. So let's continue to repositories. Okay, so what the function of repositories? Repositories is like a bridge between PLOC, the brain of data process, and API. No, between and services. Services is to get data from API. So, what the way should must be a bridge between them, because PLC is just only process the data, but he don't care about the what the result. Okay, so until that, so because PLC just only care with the result of data input and API, so it must be is direct until the code is not message in velocity. Okay, future reference is body assume try the result. So there is to save the only the result until the velocity until the code in velocity more clean. Just only save the result here. Okay. If there is a wait, if the application is successful, it will be apa? It will be success, and if there is a error, it will be test login valid, like this. Right for the true and left for false, like that. The revises, okay, revises is to is the outside parameter to communication with API. So in this case, the API is will be get the URL from Constance, okay, and Dio. Dio is popular HTTP in Flutter, but isn't HTTP, but like terlalu popular from HTTP in Flutter. Then the next one, this is the your post, as you are login, the request to JSON. Okay, like this. And there is a utils, and in this utils I will make it to save the logic of session manager. Okay. So the function in the session manager is if the user reset the application. So it's available on the user already sign in, and if he reset the application without session manager, it will be redirect into login mode, into login batch. So to solve that issue, I use session manager. So if the session of user authenticated still work, so it will after the reset application, it will he stay in homepage, no logout, no automatically logout like that. Use of session. Okay, get as a token. Hey, there is a function token like that. And the utils, okay, the last folder is the utils. The function is like to um, to save the like reusable UI like auth button and relocate text field until your UI in your code in page is not too long, is not too much like that. So there is a out button. Okay, this is symbol UI, and there is a error dialog with the purple. Okay, to show the error message, and it's good for UX. There's a login text field. There's a lot of function here. There is a suffix to uh, apa to into apa make your password hidden or not. Just press it on box one. Now this on type outside. So if you click in area in the what in the outside the input box, so the focus in input it will be gone. Yeah. Suffix this if unpressed icon visibility off and visibility on. Okay, and it's matched with are the text hidden or not all displayed like that. Obscure on suffix present. Okay, like this HTML. Okay, maybe let's start. Let's try this. Just let's try. Oh, no, I typo. Nah, wait. Wait. Okay, why is so long? Maybe the connection is not good here. Oh, there you go. Let's try it. Oh yeah, maybe I will pass the authentication, the API. Okay, I will nah, I will copy this. Okay, wait, before I try to the real application. Okay, let's try. There is here we go. I already have, and there is a like you usual to input in the there is a dummy JSON and you can input this to run the authentication. There is a username is Emilis password and expired to 3 minutes. And there is optional in apa to what's to define the duration, but maybe I will remove it. Nah, I can remove this. Hmm. Okay, it can also. So okay, let's save and send. Wait. Okay, there is access token and reverse token, and this access token and reverse token it will be saved in our code in what is the in services. As will no in token tuh mana ya models. Nah, in response, access token it will be saved in this field. Nah, access token reverse token from this. Okay. Nah, and the postman is like what? Hmm, place to you test the API. Okay. Okay, let's try the application. No. Okay, maybe I'm start to input the wrong password. Okay, the wrong password and the wrong data. Okay, I will make it incorrect. Okay, if I wrong this. Okay, the error is work. Okay, I will paste the card Emilis kan? Emilius, yes, Emilis, Emilis, pass. Let's check Emilis pass. Okay, let's try it. Login. Okay, and I will check the feature of session if are the session is active or not. Let's restart the application. Okay, wait. Okay, the session is work, so because the session is 1 hour and still uh, and during session is still work, so I can log out from my application. And let's check the logout function. Okay, I can log out this like this. It work. And restart maybe. Okay, maybe like so sign up is not work because I emang belum not used sign up register page. Okay, maybe that's it for. Okay, wait. I go to bedroom. Maybe. So this is ecosystem in the LOC, and of course this ecosystem is more difficult than what the GitX, but the